Welcome to the Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show, where we build your 11 Plus Exam vocabulary one word at a time. Before we get into today's word, here's a reminder that we deliver live workshops throughout the year for students preparing for their 11 Plus exam. These workshops cover comprehension, verbal reasoning, writing, and maths. In the last academic year, we helped over 5,000 students. Give it a try and improve week after week. Just visit the Exam Coach website for more information. That's www.theexamcoach.tv. Today's word is ignominious. It is pronounced ignominious, and it is spelt ignominious. Think ig, then no, then min, the letter I, and then ous. Ignominious means deserving or causing public disgrace or shame. For example, you could say the football team's 10-0 defeat was an ignominious loss. Ignominious comes from the Latin word ignominiosus, meaning disgraceful or shameful, the same as it means today. The famous Roman leader, Marcus Licinius Crassus, faced an ignominious end. Crassus was the richest Roman who ever lived. Born in around 112 BC, Crassus belonged to one of Rome's most influential families, and in the height of his power, he ruled over Rome alongside Julius Caesar and Pompey the Great. However, Crassus had a reputation for being very greedy, and so, when one day he saw how rich a neighbouring kingdom had become, he waged war on them. Crassus had no complaint to bring war against the Parthians, nor had the war been assigned to him, but he heard that they were exceedingly wealthy, and expected that they would be easy to capture. How wrong he was. After a series of mistakes and blunders, the wealthy general found himself surrounded. His forces were then quickly overwhelmed, and out of an estimated 43,000 Roman soldiers, 20,000 were killed and 10,000 were captured. The battle was a complete humiliation for Rome, and Crassus did not survive. What an ignominious end to such a powerful Roman leader. Ignominious is an adjective, and therefore a describing word. For example, you could say, the boxer's first round defeat was an ignominious end to his otherwise successful career. Ignominious is defined in the dictionary as, especially of events or behaviour, embarrassing because of being a complete failure. Ignominious' synonyms include humiliating, undignified, embarrassing, mortifying, shameful, disgraceful, dishonourable, discreditable, ignoble, inglorious, abject, sorry, wretched, miserable, pitiful, and humiliatory. Antonyms include glorious, illustrious, celebrated, famous, famed, renowned, acclaimed, distinguished, honoured, eminent, excellent, outstanding, and great. See if you can notice anything ignominious today. It could be a sports team suffering a huge loss, or the disgraceful actions of a villain on TV. Either way, make sure to use your new word today, ignominious. Have a top day, and we'll be back tomorrow at the same time for another Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show.